going to turn you up a bit so you can see my face. Do you see my face? Maybe you shouldn't actually see my face because you might not see what I'm doing there. But yeah,
Okay, so I ordered this gold line with my custom topper. I asked for it to be gold on the inside and the outside, but the vendor said, "Oh, that's not possible unless they want to stick two sleeves together." And I said, "Fine, okay," but while sticking, it wasn't sticking as you would see. But thankfully, they sent extras that weren't stuck together, so that's why I decided to try it.
Another piece of gum put in. It's already sticking together.
So for context, there was no inspiration. I mean, like, there was no visual representation of what I wanted to do, so everything was on the go, which is why you would see me placing some things before actually attaching it to see if it's gonna work or how it's gonna look like.
I don't know how well this is going to turn out, but we're gonna keep going.
Other than that, the video is quite explanatory, and I in the video also vocalize what I'm doing, what I'm thinking at the moment, so you're in good hands. That's it. Bye.
And that is our crown complete. What do we think? I don't know, but I think I like it. This is how it looks on like the naked cake, and I think it's actually not too bad either, although I'd have preferred if it wasn't like peeking at the edges, but I'm also not necessarily that mad about it. So do I want to put pink in between or do I not want to? Depends. How many pinks do I need? 1 2 3 4 5 6. I need 6. How does this look? With or without it? Oh, I think I like it. So this will have to touch the floor. I like the fact that they are floating. It's floating, so then it's touching. The lenses on top. And that is the crown complete. I think I like it. I think I love this pretty crown. So where's the front of it? This is supposed to be the front, right? What do you think? I think it is wonderful. I would have loved it better if the inside was gold too. I have decided to double the inside. The white is just putting me off. What's the plan? What is the plan? First of all, how about put this in frame for a plan? So I think I'm going to do it in segments. The crown is still standing.